Ready? Start. The next set of statutory provisions which would be required to be noticed, at this stage, are those to be found in the Sports Act, 2007, full stop. The preamble to the Sports Act, 2007 makes it clear that it has been enacted inverted comma open to provide access to the largest number of listeners and viewers, on a free to air basis, of sporting events of national importance through mandatory sharing of sports broadcasting signals with Prasar Bharati and for matters connected therewith or incidental thereto, full stop. Section 3 of the Sports Act, 2007, on the scope and width of which provision the core arguments have been advanced so as to enable the court to determine the true scope and purport thereof in the light of the provisions of Section 8 in bracket 1 of the Cable Act, 1995, full stop para. It can be noticed that under Section 3 of the Sports Act, 2007, no content rights owner or holder and no television or radio broadcasting service provider can carry a live television broadcast on any cable or DTH network or radio commentary broadcast in India, of sporting events of national importance unless it simultaneously shares the live broadcasting signal, without its advertisements, with the Prasar Bharati to enable them to retransmit the same on its terrestrial networks and direct to home networks in such manner and on such terms and conditions as may be specified, full stop. On the other hand, Section 8 in bracket 1 of the Cable Act, 1995 carries a legislative mandate that every cable television operator is required to carry, on its network, such Doordarshan channels or channels operated by or on behalf of the Parliament, as may be notified by the central government in the official gazette, full stop. What is the true legal effect emerging from a joint operation of the two provisions, noticed above, in the moot question, full stop? A narration, though very briefly, of the arguments advanced may now be made, full stop. As the High Court, in the order under challenge, has recorded the submissions advanced on behalf of the rival parties in detail, and as the arguments advanced before us are essentially in reiteration, a brief recapitulation of what was argued before us will suffice, full stop. The learned Attorney General, who has argued the case of the appellant in the main, has submitted that the object behind the creation of the Prasar Bharati, was to enhance leadership, full stop.